Good morning, class 3. I hope children you all are fine. Children, today we will start lesson number 2, that is computer software. We will have class related to it later on. Okay, in this chapter we will be studying about meaning of software, types of software and functions of software. So we are going to study about all these three. Now, meaning of software. Let's study. The set of programs which are used to operate a computer is known as the software. Software is a set of instructions that tell a computer what to do. Means it is a set of programs. There are so many programs which are used for operating a computer. It is known as software. Software is something we cannot see. Okay, like hardware we can see monitor, we can see keyboard, we can see CPU, we can see mouse, but we cannot see software. They are just the programs written which are used for operating a computer. Like you get when you buy any new phone, you get an instruction manual and it tells you how the phone is to be operated, how the phone is to be used. Okay, same way you can say that there is a manual inside the computer system which tells it to do which tells the computer to do its functioning, okay, to carry on with its functioning. So though that kind of manual or those set of programs are known as software. Now it is a set of instructions that tell a computer what to do. It is a set of instructions which inform computer, which tells computer as to what it has to do. Software makes the hardware parts work. We cannot see and touch software. For example, a mobile phone is a hardware, but the SMS feature of the phone is a software. So software is that part of the system which makes the hardware parts work. If there are no instructions, no programs inside a computer system, then we will have just machinery with us. It will not be able to function. So it is essential to have software so that the hardware parts can work. We cannot see it, we cannot touch it. For example, mobile phone is a hardware. We know that mobile phone is a hardware, and various features of it, whether it is SMS feature or a WhatsApp feature or a Facebook feature or even calling feature, all these are software. Okay, and same way in computer system also, whether you are working on MS Paint or MS Word or your games are all software, because you cannot touch them, you cannot see them, but you can use them. Now, types of software. There are two types of software: application software and system software. So we have two types of software. First is application and second is system. Application software. You have an AquaGuard at your home. What does it do? It only does one task. So what is the function of AquaGuard? To filter the water, and it is having only one task. Same way, the applications of software are also having just one task. It filters water. Similarly, the application software helps you in doing some special work. For example, you cannot paint using the calculator program, as calculator can only do arithmetic calculations. So just like a filter or a mixer grinder, even application software is also helping you in doing some specific work, only one work. Okay, either you can like play game, or you can write your document, or you can do the painting, or you can listen to music. Okay, so for every function, for every task, there is different application software. For example, you cannot paint using the calculator program, as calculator can only do mathematical calculations, arithmetical calculations. So in here it has given the example of calculator, in which we can only do arithmetical calculations but we cannot paint. So application software helps us in doing only one particular task. but very nicely. Now let us see some application software. These are the examples of application software. Paint. Paint is an application software which helps us in painting. Calculator, then Solitaire, it is a game. Windows Media Player, where we can play our media, and this is Notepad where we can write small notes. So these are various application softwares. Okay, now we shall continue with the chapter in the later period, next period. Take care. Bye bye.